How to pray in Islam? Nia. Make an intention to pray. Takbir. To start the prayer, stand and say Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is great. Qiyam. Place your right hand over your left hand on your chest and say the opening supplication called Salah. Recite Surah Fatiha and one more surah. Ruku. Bow down by placing your palms on your knees and say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times. Kauma. Go back to upright position and say Sami Allahu liman hamida. Then say Rabbana lakal hamd while going down. Sujood. Kneel with your face and hands to the ground. Say Subhana Rabbiyal Ala 3 times. Kood. Kneel up and look down at your lap and say Rabbighfirli 2 times. Now again say Subhana Rabbiyal Ala 3 times. Tashahhud. Say Tashahhud. After final rakat, say Tashahhud and Durood. Taslim. Turn your face to right saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and then turn to left and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dua after Salah. Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam tabarakta ya dal jalali wal ikram. And any dua you wish to make. Jazakallah khairan.